Good evening, students. Tomorrow you have exam now from Unit 1. Unit 1 you need to study definitions. First one is what is a differential equation definition, order and degree. Order and degree of a differential equation. Second one integrating factor. Integrating factor. Next one linear differential equation. Next Bernoulli differential equation. Next fourth one exact differential equations. Fifth one total differential equations are dx by p, dy by q, dz by r. This type of problems. Right? These are the important topics. Now you have to concentrate on these exact differential equations, linear differential equations. Next, other parts are there. They variable separable method, homogeneous, non-homogeneous. Those are very easy, right? Now, first of all, here integrating factor definition. What is an integrating factor? Integrating factor. If the differential equation, if the given differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, if the given differential is not exact, then it can be made exact. It can be made exact by multiplying by suitable function of x and y, right? Then to make the given differential equation exact, we can multiply the given equation by a function of x and y. Here that function of x and y is called an integrating factor. If the given differential equation is not exact, to make it exact, then we need to multiply by a function of x and y. That function of x and y is called an integrating factor. Now, what is a linear differential equation? A differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q is called a linear differential equation, where p and q are functions of x, where p and q are functions of x. Now, if the differential equation is in this form, then what is the solution? Solution is equal to y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c is the solution of given differential equation, where integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral p dx. Right? First of all, we have to find the integrating factor, and then solution is nothing but y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus 3. Please practice this type of problems. Alright? Now, the next one, Bernoulli differential equation. Bernoulli differential equation means dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y power n. Right? A differential equation is of that form is called Bernoulli differential equation. Now, what is the working procedure? First of all, we have to divide by y power n. Put y power minus n is equal to t, then it reduces to linear differential equation. Both the procedures are similar. Here only the thing is there is one extra step. We have to put y to the power of minus n or y to the power of 1 minus n is equal to t or some other new variable. Right? Then it reduces to linear differential equation. Only one step extra for this one. What is exact differential equation? Differential equations are of this form. M dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Right? When do you say that the differential equation is exact? If dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. See here, partial derivation, partial differentiation. While differentiating m with respect to y, treat x as a constant. Now, while differentiating with respect to n with respect to x, keep y as a constant. Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then that differential equation is said to be exact. If it is exact, if the given differential is exact, then what is the solution? Solution is nothing but integration m dx plus integration n dy is equal to 0. Here we have to choose n from which are free from x. Alright, which are free from x. Remember that one. That the terms which do not contain x, only those terms from this we have to consider here and then integrate with respect to y. This type, please practice this type of problems. This type of problems are very important. Now there are so many methods. The first method, second method and third method. Now if the given differential is not exact, then we have to find the integrating factor, right? Now first one is 1 by mx plus ny is the integrating factor. So how to identify this one? See, suppose if the given problem here m is m and n are homogeneous. If m and n are homogeneous, then 1 by mx plus ny is the integrating factor. Remember that one. If the given differential is not exact, then go for other methods. Other methods means there are 4 important methods are there. First one, of course, is a grouping. Don't go for that one. 1 by mx plus ny is the integrating factor. Now, sir, how to identify? If m and n are, look at m and n. If both are homogeneous, then 1 by mx plus ny is the integrating factor. Next one. 1 by mx minus ny is the integrating factor if the given differential is not exact. Sir, how to identify whether I have to go for this method or this method? Now, if m and n both are homogeneous, go for this one. Right? Now, if we can take y as a common element from n and n x element from n, then go for 1 by mx minus ny. We have to analyze the terms. Within seconds, you simply can analyze m and n. If we can take y as a common element, that means this can be written as y into some function of x and y. N is nothing but some x into function of x and y. That means, is it possible to make y as a common element from this one? Is it possible to take x as a common element from n? Right? Then you can go for 1 by mx minus ny method. The next method is 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x method. Right? Suppose if m and n are not homogeneous, if we cannot take y and x elements as a common elements from m and n, then we have to go for this method. 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. And the fourth one is 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Right? If it is a function of x, first one, if it is a function of x, then it is integrating factor is e to the power of integral f of x dx. If it is a function of y, then integrating factor is e to the power of integral f of y dy. See, please practice these type of problems. These are very important. Exact differential equations and also linear differential equations. Please practice. It takes only 30 minutes to solve this type of problems. Next, here, next one is dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. This type of problems, you know, we propose chestanu after the class. It's very easy. See. Now, see, suppose one problem is given to you like this. Dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Now, how to solve this type of problems? First of all, say example, dx by here some z into x is equal to dy into some z into y. Next, dz by some. We can take this one as z cancel, y cancel, z square. Right? Now, suppose simple equation. Now, suppose solve this type of differential equation. Simply, first of all, it is by taking grouping. You can go for grouping. Right? Yella sir, how to? Just take first two. If you consider first two, then here z gets cancelled, no? Right? See, here z cancel. That means if you consider this pair, By using this way, it can be written as dx by some function of x. Function of x is equal to dy by function of y. We are getting now, right? Then group these such that z can cancel. Only these two contains x terms and y terms. Then integrate it. Dx by x is equal to dy by y. Integrating on both sides, dx by x is equal to dy by y. Right? Integration of dx by x is log x is equal to log y plus c. Here, or you can say log c you can take. X is equal to yc. X minus yc is equal to 0. This is one solution. Right? Simply you have to group the these terms, group the terms such that it contains only x and y, or y and z, or z and x, like that. Right? Now, suppose for the next one, I am taking these two. Dy by zy is equal to dz by z square. Right? Now, here, group these two terms, I am getting dy by y is equal to dz by z. Again, those two contains y and z terms only. Then we can integrate it. Integration of dy by y is equal to integration of dz by z. Here log y is equal to log z plus log some c mark. Here y is equal to zc. That is the solution. Now those two combined, if you combine those two solutions, these are nothing but solution of the given differential equation. So if you consider these two, see, if you consider those two, what you will get? First one and last one. Dx by zx is equal to dz by z square. Again z cancel. Here d by dx by x, dz by z. Yes, it contains x and z terms only. Here dx term is there, dz term is there, and the denominators are x and z only. Therefore, we can select this group also. Any two groups. First these two, or these two, or these two. Right? This is called, by grouping we can integrate. By grouping we can integrate, and those solutions are nothing but the solutions of the given differential equation. Please practice this type of problem also. Right? It is very, very important. Okay? So suppose if grouping is not possible, then in that case, how to solve this one? How to solve this one means, see, how to solve. Suppose dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Concentrate here. Simply, if grouping is not possible, then simply we have to choose LMN. We have to choose this one. These are nothing but functions of x, y and z. We have to choose L, M and N such that, this symbol is such that Lx plus My plus Nz. Here Lx means LP. You can say LP plus NQ plus NR is equal to 0. We have to choose the functions of L, M and N such that LP plus MQ plus NR is equal to 0. Then, sir, what is the integrating function? Then the answer is LDX plus MDY plus NDZ is equal to 0A. Now, you will get this one. If you integrate this one, this is the answer. Once again, I will explain this one. Wait for a minute. Right. Solve. Concept is important. Dx by x into y square minus z square is equal to dy by minus y into z square plus x square is equal to dz by z into x square plus y square. Right? Solve this differential equation. Okay. Now see this call that equation number 1. Equation 1 is in the form of dx by p dy by q dz by r. By comparing, p is equal to x into y square minus z square, q is equal to minus y into z square plus x square, and r is equal to z into x square plus y square. See, now p, q, r. If you correct these two by grouping these two, whether it can be expressed as dx by function of x and dy by function of y? No, we cannot express. If you consider these two, that means nothing but a variable separable method. Contains, suppose if you consider these two terms, dy by something, dz by something, if you simplify it, it can be converted into variable separable method. That means it contains y and z terms only. No, we cannot express. Now, if you consider these two, no, we cannot reduce it into variable separable method. And x and z, y and z, x and y like that. By grouping. That is called, first method is called nothing but grouping. It's nothing but a variable separable method. See, here we cannot solve this problem by grouping. Then what is the next procedure? We have to choose L, M, N. We have to choose L, M and N. See, here I am choosing a conjunct difficulty. Now we have to analyze it. Suppose here I am choosing L is equal to x, M is equal to y, N is equal to z. Then consider LP plus MQ plus NR. Now LP plus MQ plus NR is equal, what is x into P is what? X into y square minus z square plus M is nothing but y. Y into Q is what? Minus y into z square plus x square plus next N is z. Z into x square plus y square. You have to simplify this one, right? We are choosing L, M and N such that x, y, z. Now we have to find the value of LP plus MQ plus NR. Simplify this one. X into x is x square y square minus x square z square. Here minus y square, no, minus y square z square minus y square x square plus z square x square plus z square y square. See, z square y square cancel, x square y square cancel, minus x square z square cancel, we are getting 0. Therefore, LP plus MQ plus NR is equal to 0. Remember, we have to choose L, M and such that this value is equal to 0. Ala choose చేసుకోవాలి. This is very, very important. Now, after getting this 0, then solution is nothing but integration L dx M dy plus N dz is equal to 0. This is the solution of given differential equation. Right? See, ఎట్లా ఉందో చూద్దాం. What is L? X into dx, M means y into dy plus z is N into dz is equal to 0. Integration of ordinary integration. Integration x dx is x square by 2. Integration y dy is y square by 2. Integration z dz is z square by 2 is equal to some arbitrary constant c. This is one solution, right? Again you have to repeat the same process once again. Once again you have to repeat. How? Again we have to choose L, M, N such that Lx, Lp plus Mq plus Nr is equal to 0. This is one set of solutions. Again we have to choose here L is equal to 1 by x, M is equal to 1 by y, N is equal to 1 by z. If you choose element like this, then Lp plus Mq plus Nr is equal to 0. In that case, what is the solution here? 1 by L. Lx means 1 by x dx, 1 by y dy, 1 by z dz is equal to 0. In this case, what you will get? Log x plus log y plus log z is equal to log c. That is xyz is equal to c is another solution. We have to repeat the same process 2 times, remember. Okay? These are the important problems. Once again, linear differential equations, exact differential equations, right? And then this type of problems. Or else you can skip this problem, no problem. Linear differential equations and exact differential equations. Those are very, very important in unit 1. Sir, what about first part, sir? Ante already మనం చేసాం కదా, variable separable method. That is very, very easy. We have to collect all x terms, all y terms separately if possible, right? Then integrate it. Okay.